LED displays aren't just for billboards, Times Square, and your favorite stadium. The applications are countless. Welcome back to the LED revolution. I've spent the last 15 years of my career working with LED, and one of the things that keeps me excited about coming to work every day is how versatile and exceptional LED displays are in bringing technology, engagement, and excitement to any environment. LED displays aren't just for billboards, Times Square, and your favorite stadium. The applications are countless. A well-designed LED system differentiates itself from every other display technology on the market. LED can be any size, literally customized to your exact application. It can be placed anywhere and transform a space for years with minimal upkeep and maintenance. Before you get that far though, you need a working understanding of what makes up an LED display system. It's not complicated, but it certainly can be depending on who you talk to. There are really only three major pieces that make up any display system. I like to think about LED displays as expanded computers, so let's think about it that way. Just like your computer, the first thing you're going to see and interact with is your screen. On your computer, that's your monitor. In your display system, that's the LED display itself. There are a lot of options for LEDs, and we'll get into those in our next video. But for now, just know your display, indoor, outdoor, small, large, bright, or dim, is the face of your system. It's what you or your audience is going to be looking at every day. Next is your processing. Think of your processing like the graphics card in your computer. There are lots of different options for graphics cards depending on your application. Are you a gamer, a video editor, just a web surfer? There are options for lots of different use cases. LED processing is the same. Advertising, sports, cinema, home theater, XR studios, you'll want to tailor your system's processing based on its use case. The great news is that your partners know how to make sure the processing that you're getting suits your needs. But the engineering of the processing has an impact on image quality and should be a consideration in specifying the display. Finally, there's the media player, the front end of your computer. What kind of content management strategy do you need? Are you controlling digital signage? Is your operator technical? Do you need live playback capability? All of these have an impact on your program and your display. It's how you operate your computer. It's what you, as the display operator, are going to be interacting with the most. So knowing what your plans are for your display are vital to the long-term success of your installation and should be an important part of the selection process. There's obviously going to be a lot of nuance in each of these categories, but if you can understand the basics of your system, specifying your next project will be a lot easier. Check us out on the next video when we talk about different types of pixel technology.